We've talked a lot about, different exercises and drills that you can do to warm up for a workout so that you're ready to run fast. What are some of your keys to recovery afterward? What are you wearing? What are you eating? What are the things that you're doing to make sure that you're recovering for the next day?
Training is huge. It's not that 1 hour or an hour and a half that you run, but what you do afterward. Coach John Wooden says it's what you do the next 22 hours that will dictate how you're going to do in the future. So some of the things that I do is immediately, nutrition is important. Within 30 minutes, you put something in your system. I use personally, Generation you can, and others you can use some kind of protein. And 2, stretching is the key right away when you're still sweating. It's a great feeling to be able to stretch. And then you do the ice bath. And for me, recovering, I use my compression socks after my run, but also when I'm traveling. When I'm traveling on the plane or on the road from San Diego to Mammoth or vice versa, I always have my compression socks on, and this is one of the small things that makes a big difference for me.
All right, that's great advice. Be sure to check out the entire video series on competitor.com.